أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني. Dear students, we start exercise 2.6. The first question of this exercise is identify the following statements as true or false. Now this is the statement: under root minus 3 multiply under root minus 3 is equal to 3. Now we'll solve this, then we'll see after the solving it is true or wrong. Now under root minus 3, we write this minus 1 multiplied by 3. Here also we write under root minus 1, we write separate this, multiply by 3 is equal to 3. Now we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. We put iota square in here, under root iota square multiply by 3. Here also iota square multiply by 3 is equal to 3. Now we write separate iota square and under root 3 like this: iota square under root 3, again iota square under root 3 is equal to 3. Iota square will cancel this, you have only iota here and under root 3, and here also iota and under root 3. This square will cancel this square will cancel this. You have iota here and iota here. You multiply iota with iota square, and iota under root 3 and again under root 3 is equal to 3 and also is equal to 3. Now iota square, we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. We write minus 1 here, multiply under root 3, and this will take square of this under root 3. Now here is equal to minus 1 multiplied by, now when we take the square of this under root 3, we get 3 is equal to 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now this is not is equal to this side is not equal to this side, you write false. Now this statement is false. Now this statement is false. Now the second part of this question is iota 73 is equal to minus iota. Now we write iota 73 like this: iota and iota 72 is equal to minus iota. Now iota, this we write iota 72 in this form: iota square power 36 is equal to minus iota. Now iota multiply, we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. You write minus 1 here, and power 36 is equal to minus iota. Now here iota multiply minus 1 bracket and power is 36. Now the answer is 1, positive 1 plus 1. We write 1 here is equal to minus iota, or iota is equal to minus iota. Now this side is not equal to this side, so the statement is false. We write F. Now the third part of this question is like this: iota 10 power is equal to minus 1. Now we write iota 10 in this form: iota square power 5 is equal to minus 1. We know that iota square is equal to minus 1. We write minus 1 iota 5 is equal to minus 1. Now the power is odd. When we power fifth, we write this, it is equal to minus 1. Now minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now this side is equal to this side. This statement is true. Again here minus 1, the power is 5. The 5 is odd number. When power is odd number, then the answer is minus 1. This side is equal to this side, it means this statement is true. Now the next part is fourth part. The complex conjugate of minus 6 plus iota is equal to minus 1 is minus 1 plus 6 iota. Now this is our complex number, and the conjugate of this number will be equal to this. To write here, minus 6 iota plus iota square is equal to minus 1 plus 6 iota. Now we want to find the conjugate of this. It means this is equal to this, minus 6 iota and plus, we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. Now we put the minus 1 here, is equal to minus 1 plus 6 iota. Now we change the sign of the iota. When we take the conjugate of the complex number, we only change the sign of the iota. Now the sign of the iota is minus 6. You change minus 6 into plus 6. You write here 6 iota minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 6 iota. Now see this and see this. This is equal to this. It is also true. Now this statement is true. Now the fifth part is difference of a complex number z is equal to a plus b iota and its conjugate is a real number. Difference means we will subtract z bar minus z. Now this is a complex number, a plus b iota. Now the conjugate of this, we write z bar is equal to a plus b iota. Now also I will write bar here. It means we change the sign of iota. Z bar is equal to a minus b iota. Now this is the conjugate of this complex number. We find the difference. Z minus z bar is equal to a plus b iota. Now minus, we write in bracket because there are two terms, a minus b iota. Now a plus b iota minus a plus b iota. Now z minus z bar is equal to a minus a plus b iota is equal to z minus z bar is equal to this. A will cancel this. You have 2b iota. Now you see clearly this is a imaginary part. This is a imaginary part. The statement says it is a real part number. Now it is not a real number. It is a imaginary number. So it is wrong. This is false. We write here false. Now this is our fifth part of this question. Now write sixth part of this. If a minus 1 minus b plus 3 in iota is equal to 5 plus 8 iota, then a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 11. Now a minus 1 minus b plus 3 iota is equal to 5 plus 8 iota. Now we solve these sides and then we will compare. A minus, now minus b minus 3 minus b iota and minus 3 iota is equal to 5 plus 8 iota. Now a minus 1 minus b iota, this multiply b iota, or minus 3 iota. Now a minus 1 and minus b iota and minus 1 minus 3 iota is equal to 5 plus 8 iota. Now this will portion go on the right side and minus 3 is also go on the right side. A minus b iota is equal to 5 plus 8 iota. This minus 1 will go on the right side. It will become positive, plus 1 and plus 3 iota. Now a minus b iota is equal to this 5 plus 1 6, and this 8 iota plus 3 iota, you write here 11 iota. Now comparing both sides, a is equal to 6 and minus b is equal to 11. Now here b is equal to minus 11. Now the given is this, b is a is equal to 6 and b is equal to minus 11. So the answer is same. You write this statement is true. Now this statement is true. Now the seventh part of this question is product of a complex number and its conjugate is always a non-negative real number. Now we have a complex number z is equal to a plus b iota, and conjugate of this z bar is equal to a minus b iota. Now we change only sign of the iota. This is plus, we write here minus. You write z into z bar. Now product of mean, you will multiply z by z bar is equal to a plus b iota into a minus b iota. Now we write this a plus b, this is a minus b formula. We can use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. You write here a square minus b iota is also square. This is equal to a square minus this b square and iota square. Now a square minus b square, and we write iota square is equal to minus 1. You write here minus 1 is equal to a square. Now this minus will be positive to b square. Now z into z bar is equal to a square plus b square. Now it is a non-negative real number because a square plus b square is non-negative real number. So this statement is true. Now this statement is true. Now this is the seventh part of this question. Now again the question number 2. Here question number 2 is question number 2. Express each complex number in the standard form a plus b iota, where a and b is real number. Now this is given is equal to 2 plus 3 iota plus 7 minus 2 iota. We will write this into standard form. Now again we unbreak these brackets. We write here 2 plus 3 iota and plus 7 minus 2 iota. Now 2 plus 7 and plus 3 iota minus 2 iota. Now is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9, and minus this plus 3 iota or minus 2 iota, it means plus iota. Now this is equal to standard form. You write here a plus b iota is equal to 9 plus only iota. Now this is written in standard form a plus b iota. Now the second part of this question is equal to 2 in bracket 5 plus 4 iota minus 3 in brackets 7 plus 4 iota. Now we will multiply 2 with this number. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8, 8 iota minus 3 will multiply 7. This minus, there here plus, minus 21. There minus, this plus, minus 3 4s are 12, minus 4 12 iota. Now this 10 minus 21 plus 8 iota and minus 12 iota. Now it is equal to this 10 minus 21 is equal to minus 11. Now here 8 iota minus 12 iota. Now we subtract this 8 iota from 12 iota, we get minus 4 iota. Now this is also in standard form. This is our real part and this is our imaginary part, because this is a plus b iota. Now it is written in this form a plus b iota is equal to minus 11 and minus 4 iota. Now the third part of this question is question number 2. The third part is here. This minus, we will multiply this minus with the number, and this minus also multiply with this number. This minus will multiply this minus, you get positive. It means positive 3, plus 3. And this plus minus and this plus, minus 5 iota. Now this minus, here plus, we get minus 4. And this minus, this plus, minus 9 iota. Now we write the numbers. 3 minus 4 minus 5 iota minus 9 iota is equal to minus 1. This minus 5 minus 9, same sign, we add 5 plus 9, 14. Now minus 14 iota. Now this is also written in standard form. This is A, this is B. You write in this form A plus B iota is equal to minus 1 and minus 14 iota. Now this is the third part of question number 2. This is fourth part of this question. Third part of this. Now this is our fourth part. This is fourth part is equal to this. This 2 here, 2 iota square plus 6 iota cube plus 3 iota 16 minus 6 iota 19 plus 4 iota 25. Now 2 iota square, we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. You put here minus 1 plus 6. This iota 3 we write in this form 6 iota and iota square plus this is written in 16, 3 and iota 16. It means iota square in the form of this 8, 8 2s are 16 again, minus 6 iota this and iota 18. We write separately iota and iota 18 plus 4 iota and iota 24, iota and iota 24. Now this you write here is equal to this minus this 2, you write here minus 2 plus 6 this iota, and we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. You write here minus 1 plus 3, and you write here iota square is equal to minus 1. You write here minus 1 and power 8 minus 6 iota and also iota 2 and 9. This is 9 plus 4 iota and iota 2 and 12. 12 2s are 24 and here 9 2s are 18. You write here is equal to minus 2 minus this plus minus 6 iota. Now this 3 and minus 8. This minus 1 power 8, it will be plus 1. You write here only plus 3. Minus 6 iota and iota minus 1. This minus 1 and here is 9 and plus 4 iota and iota square is equal to minus 1. You write here minus 1 power 12. Again is equal to minus 2 minus 6 iota plus 3 minus 6. Ye minus and the power is odd number. We get minus 6 iota and we get minus 1 plus 4 iota and minus 1 power 12. It is even number. The power is an even number. You write plus 1, multiply 1. Again is equal to minus 2 minus 6 iota plus 3 minus, and this minus plus is 6 iota is equal to plus 4 iota. Now this, write all combine these terms, minus 2 plus 3 minus 6 iota plus 6 iota and plus 4 iota. This and minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 3 we get 1 and minus 6 iota and 6 plus 4 plus 10 iota. Now this 10 iota is equal to 1 minus, now 6 minus 6 iota and plus 10 iota. We subtract 6 iota from 10 iota. you get 4 iota. Now this is written in standard form. You write here a plus b iota is equal to a plus 4 iota. Now this number is written in standard form a plus b iota. Now this is your sixth part of the question, and question number 2.